that Ekpe is, of course, a smart destination for investors to invest in. Now, the reason why that is based on the numerous infrastructure coming into Ekpe. A lot of people at Smartly, of course, positioned themselves way before now, and now we have more people positioning themselves. Now, the question I have for you watching me right now is, have you positioned yourself already? Or you're still part of those set of people who is dilly-dallying, who is procrastinating, who probably want to be a doubting Thomas? In this regard, you're saying, Ekpe is far. Who will build in Ekpe? Who is going to live in Ekpe? All those things are marketing gimmicks. I remember some people said that a decade ago, or half a decade ago, for places like Ibajuleki, places like Shangotedo, Aja. But today, the rest is history, right? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, my name remains Goodness Usman. I am your fab lady router for Niger Realty 24/7, and of course, the queen of landlord makers. So yeah, I'm back here on site. And of course, for those of you who already know me, you know that come rain, come shine, work must what? Work must go on. So I go to site today, and it didn't rain before I got here and root here, but the rain decided to do what? It decided to smile on me while I go to the side. But then I'm already here, and I have to give you guys the news that I have for you. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, Excel Garden Phase 2, and I'm glad to inform you guys that allocation is coming up in another 2 weeks. Yes, the very first batch of allocation. Trust me, allocation is one thing that gets me very much excited in this job. Yes, because it's not just about selling, it's about also getting possession of the land at which you have bought into. And that's why I'm excited to tell you guys. So stay tuned. If you're bought into this estate, you need to come and pay your statutory fee, and so that you can get your allocation on 30th of November. Now, this is a catch for you guys. Yes, you that are here to own a piece of Excel Garden Phase 2. By the way, it's located in Igbonla in Ekpe in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, the closest landmark to this particular property is the St. Augustine University. Yeah, that's a beautiful university, by the way. And of course, we have other landmarks apart from that one, but that one is the closest. Now, speaking about the catch that we have for you between now and the day of allocation, if you invest, you're going to get free deed of assignment, free provisional survey. You had that right. You don't need to pay for your survey or deed of assignment. All you need to do is just pay for developmental fee when it's due. So here there are two options. You can do 500 square meter at 3 million naira only, or you can buy 300 square meter at 1.8 million naira. Now also, after the day of allocation, there will be price increase. So it will be increasing from 3.3 million naira to 3.8 million naira. And of course, the 300 square meter will be moving from 1.8 million naira to 2,280,000 naira. And at that point, of course, you will pay for your deed of assignment and your survey, your provisional survey. You're not going to get that as extra. So I like it when I get extra. I mean, I buy the same thing and I get an extra with it. It makes a lot of sense. So yeah, you watching me, you need to come and own a piece of Excel Garden. Now, the last time I was here, of course, they've done this interlock, and then more work is ongoing for them to get ready for the allocation. As you see, it's still raining. Yes. You may not believe it if you're not in Lagos. It's still raining, and rain usually distorts work. But hey, they're still working. Let me show you guys what they're even doing inside the gatehouse right now. Some of the plastering work that is ongoing. Enjoy that, ladies and gentlemen.
Swept under the crashing rain, I heard your voice in
what is going on. And then of course, when this rain take its hold, they would clear and then get ready for the physical allocation. So remember, the physical allocation is on the 30th of November, and from now to then you can enjoy this promo, and of course also the current price, because after the allocation, like I've said before, the price is increasing. So yes, this is a perfect means of, you know, keeping investing and then holding the land. Like we say on this part of the world, land banking. You can buy it for land banking. You just put your money here and then you're rest assured that no omonile issue. This is not an estate where omonile issue is going to come up. We've been selling for a while now and you can see no issues here. Like I've said, no omonile issue. It is not a titled land. However, the status of the land is free, which is what we call freehold, but it is not title. It doesn't have a title yet. Now, the difference between you that you're buying this land now and somebody else who is buying a titled one, which is more expensive, is the risk you're taking, because you're going to have the advantage of buying it cheaper now, and then when they process the title, you're still not going to be up to the amount they have for those that are that, for the one that you have bought that has a title. Do you understand? Now, when you buy this, you definitely will still pay when the title has been processed, but it's just that if you put it together, it won't be as high as a titled land. And we always advise that people should buy land where development is going into. It makes a whole lot of sense to invest in cheap lands like this. So all of you who've been asking me for Excel Garden Phase 2, is this still selling? Now you see me here. And for those of you who are looking for a cheap land to buy in Ekpe that is still safe and secured, well, this is it for you to come and make your reservation. 700,000 naira, and then you can spread your payment across 6 months. 3 months is considered without interest. 1 year, yes, we can work out 1 year. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys when you give me a call. Please ensure that you watching me, you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh double.